Happy New Year, everyone. We finally made it. Welcome to 2026. Let's be real for a second. 2025 was rough. We had the delays, the silence, the endless waiting. It was quiet, too quiet. But look at the calendar now. The silence is officially over. I've looked at the roadmap and I'm telling you, this isn't just a good year for gaming. This is the year the Titans wake up. We are talking about the return of Vice City, a new James Bond, and the grittiest superhero game ever made. So, do me a favor, say goodbye to your social life and say goodbye to your savings account. Here are the top 10 games that are about to break the internet in 2026. Starting off at number 10, we have the ultimate wildcard, Judas. Ken Levine, the guy who invented BioShock, has been cooking this one for a decade. It's finally hitting early this year. The gimmick, narrative Legos. The story actually breaks and rebuilds itself based on who you trust. It looks colorful, it looks weird, and honestly, it's exactly the kind of chaos we need to kick things off. At number 9, we are rewinding the clock. Max Payne 1 and 2 Remake. But listen, this isn't just a lazy texture upgrade. Remedy rebuilt New York using the Northlight engine, the same tech behind Alan Wake 2. It's dropping this spring. Get ready for the noir atmosphere, the painkillers, and the best bullet time physics in the business. Moving on to number 8. This is the game that made everyone ask, wait, is that actual gameplay? Crimson Desert. We've been analyzing these trailers for years, but it's finally real. It's targeting Q2. Think Game of Thrones meets pro wrestling. If you bought a PS5 Pro or a new PC for Christmas, this is the game you buy to show it off. Number 7. Xbox is going back to black. Gears of War, E-Day. Forget the robots, forget the bright colors. We are going back to the horror. This is a prequel set on Emergence Day. It's gritty, it's scary, and looking at the Unreal Engine 5 footage, it's going to melt your console. At number 6, we have the RPG giant, Fable. Playground Games is finally ready. It launches late this year. It's got that classic British humour we missed, but now it's in a massive open world. If you missed the days when your choices actually mattered, keep your eyes on this one. Alright, get ready. We are entering the top 5. Number 5 has a locked-in date. Resident Evil 9 Requiem, February 27th. We are kicking the year off with a scream. Rumors say this is the finale for the current story. They tested open world stuff, but they pulled it back to give us tight, terrified survival horror. Mark the date. February 27th. Number 4. The name's Bond. 007. First Light. IO Interactive confirmed it. May 27th. This fills that perfect pre-summer slot. And remember, this is an origin story. You are playing a young James earning his 00 status. It's not just a shooter, it's a spy simulator from the creators of Hitman. Smooth, stylish, and lethal. Number 3, the gloves are off. Marvel's Wolverine, coming this fall. This is the mature, gritty Logan game we have been begging for. No holding back on the violence and a much darker tone than Spider-Man. It's going to be brutal and it's going to be glorious. Number 2. The Return of the King, Mass Effect 5. BioWare has been teasing this for years, but 2026 is the year we finally go back to the stars. The teasers have confirmed Liara Tassoni is back, the Geth are involved, and the game is running on Unreal Engine 5. If Dragon Age was their warm-up, this is the main event. It's hitting the holiday window, and it promises to merge the storytelling of the original trilogy with next-gen visuals. It's going to be massive. And finally, number 1, the reason the entire industry changed their schedules, the reason you are watching this video. Grand Theft Auto 6, Rockstar has confirmed it. November 19th, 2026, we return to Vice City. We have Jason and Lucia. We have the most anticipated piece of entertainment media in history. The world is going to stop moving on November 19th. Clear your schedule, book the week off work. The king is back, so that is your roadmap. February 27th for Resident Evil, May 27th for Bond, November 19th for GTA. It is going to be an expensive year. I need to know your plan. Are you buying everything, or are you saving every penny for GTA 6? Let me know in the comments. If you're hyped for 2026, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the reviews. Happy New Year, guys.